Hey guys, I'm here with my XR650R, the KSR tank foam, and aluminum rod. I made sure to smooth down this end on the bench grinder just so it doesn't poke. But it should be big enough that won't poke through if I need to use it to shove this foam around the various parts of this tank. First we'll take off the fuel cap. And I'm guessing there's really no right way or wrong way to do it. They don't want you to drag it along this lip because it's somewhat sharp. So just kind of get it like that. Just kind of let it go down to various spots. Of course, I don't want to lose my rod. So pretty easy, just bunch it up. Here, we'll put one over there. And of course the fuel petcock's there, it sticks up. Just put one there in that wing. And it up down here. Don't know if you can see that. We'll adjust the camera here in a second. So it's not too hard to get the foam in there. We'll go ahead and put one there. So when I'm taking it out of the box, just glance at it, make sure there's nothing loose on it. So honestly, 5-gallon thing of this tank foam probably will work in the 7-gallon IMS tank because you don't really need to shove it down into that wing, all the way. KSR recommends that you only run 91 octane because this is not good with ethanol or methanol. So what I kind of did is just kind of pushed it in the tight area of the wing, but I'm not going to worry about shoving it all the way in there because I'll never get it out of there. So you guys might ask, why wouldn't you use bigger pieces of foam? Well, you could, but you wouldn't be able to fill up all the little spots as easy, and getting it in the tank might be harder. Honestly, I don't think I'll be able to fit all 5 gallons in here. So 5-gallon probably works with a 7-gallon IMS tank. Of course, all tanks are going to be different, right? I mean, different shapes. Because obviously I can't get any in the very far reaches of the tank and past there. I'd have to really jam it. And I don't think any slosh that happens here won't be that big of a deal. I need to leave a little room to get the nozzle in there, I would think. Let's see. Let's see. I would say this is good, and I have 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces left. And if things shift and settle, I can always add more. Just trying to put that in there in a way that, you kind of have the filler there and not splash. And we will see how that works. This is what I have left of the foam, 8 pieces, and we'll see how it works. If it settles a little or something, I can shove more in. Again, you're not going to be able to get the foam into these areas easily or remove it. So I didn't really want to jam them in there if I don't have to. And I don't think the wing, being it's pretty skinny, has much sloshing action compared to the rest of the tank. So have some here, kind of goes up here because that petcock comes up high. And the filter on it. So didn't want to jam anything in there. So I went around jammed a couple pieces down between the seat, the crossover, because that would be a good sloshing area, a good slosh over tank. It's going to be this higher part that you're going to get the whoosh, whoosh back and forth that I'm trying to, with this, prevent when I'm on the harder trails with this bike. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow along for the follow-up video, because I'm sure I'll have more discussing how it works or doesn't work or what the outcome is. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.